Hi, this is Anushka, and this is my Teach 1 for Multimorbidity Accuracy for HAP 464. So the task for this assignment is to test the accuracy of the multimorbidity index in predicting mortality of patients in 6 months. And then after recording the score of the multimorbidity index using ontological adjustments, calculating the sensitivity and specificity of the index, and calculating the area under receiver operating curve, and plotting the data using Excel. So for this code, we are going to start with the code that we used previously in our body system adjustments assignment. It's the exact same card that we used. So the only thing that changes is that you need to add a line to predict the actual, and that is used to find patients who have died within 6 months of diagnosis, and we'll use that later to calculate the sensitivity and specificity. And the next step, we keep the original code from the body system adjustments, the code that we used, and then we just make some changes to the original code from the body ontological adjustments. So basically, we're just going to add actual after that. So after making some changes, as you can see in the code, we just we add or we change the predicted to score, and then we also do group by ID and actual. After that, we start using the Charleston accuracy codes and modify it. So like I said, we're going to use the Charleston indexed. So I change the values, and these are the values that I'll be using. And then then after we do this, we set an sample cutoff labels, and once we do that, we classify predicted scores by comparison to cutoff and calculate sensitivity and specificity. So now we have got our body system calculations done, and we are done with creating cutoffs so that we can put them together into sections for calculations, and you are going to follow through like the same table, and then at the end we have our cutoffs for sensitivity and specificity. So we have this table here, and we're going to use that to put into our Excel to make our graph. And here we have our final calculation for the area under the receiver operating curve. And like I said before, we used the specificity and sensitivity table from the results that we got, and then after I just copied and pasted them to my Excel, and then here I have shown like how the Excel is going to look like, and this is how your chart should look. If there's any other questions, please feel free to email me. I'll be happy to help you guys. Thank you.